Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Matt with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number 2389. It's a 1998 Clark CGC25. It's a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. Matt's going to give us a quick demonstration real fast. This is equipped with a 3-stage mast. Does approximately 189 inches of max lift height with side shift. Has smooth cushion tires with excellent tread. Just gonna run it up for us real fast. It's got a smooth running LP gas engine. Clean burning, can run them inside. Professionally painted, new PM service plus recent repairs. Ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or at either store in Fort Collins or in Denver. Appreciate it very much for watching. Thank you.